Are you worried about viruses and malware lurking in your devices? Well, don't hit that panic button just yet. Today, we're counting down the top 5 ways to remove viruses and malware from your devices. These tips are super simple and will save you from tech headaches. Stick around till the end because tip number 1 could surprise you. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 5. Use a trusted antivirus program. Coming in at number 5, download and run a trusted antivirus program. Think of it as hiring a personal digital bodyguard for your computer. Antivirus software scans your device for harmful files like viruses, ransomware, or spyware and eliminates them on the spot. Some even block threats before they reach your system. Look for well-known programs with strong reputations such as Norton, McAfee, or Bitdefender. These tools are constantly updated to stay ahead of new threats, which is key in today's rapidly changing digital world. Once you've installed your chosen program, run a full system scan to check for any existing issues, and voila, say goodbye to hidden threats lurking in the shadows. And here's a pro tip: enable real-time protection. It will monitor your device 24/7, so you're always a step ahead of malware. Automation is your best friend when it comes to staying safe. Number 4. Perform a system update. At number 4, this one's super simple but often overlooked. Update your operating system and apps. Yes, those update available notifications may seem annoying, but they're actually a key part of your device's defense system. Outdated software creates vulnerabilities that hackers love to exploit, leaving your device exposed to malware and cyber attacks. Operating system updates often include critical security patches to fix these flaws, making your device harder for hackers to breach. The same goes for apps. Developers frequently release updates to improve security and functionality. To make this process easier, schedule updates to run when you're not using your device, like overnight. That way, you wake up to a safer, more secure system. Think of updates as giving your device a much-needed boost in armor. It's a quick win that makes a big difference. If you are interested to see more tricks and tips, check this video in the corner. Number 3. Delete suspicious apps or files. Number 3 is where you channel your inner detective. If your device starts acting weird after downloading something, like slowing down, freezing, or showing random ads, it's time to investigate. Head into your installed programs or downloaded files and look for apps or files you don't recognize. Pay special attention to anything with strange, random names or that you don't remember installing. Malware often hides behind innocent-looking icons to trick you into ignoring it. Once you spot something that seems off, don't immediately delete it. Instead, search online to confirm if it's malicious or just a harmless program. If it turns out to be malware, uninstall it right away and delete all related files and folders. To be extra thorough, clear your recycle bin and run a quick antivirus scan afterward. Always double-check before deleting anything to avoid accidentally removing important system files. Number 2. Use safe mode to troubleshoot. Now for tip number 2, and it's a good one. Ever heard of safe mode? It's like your device's superhero cape, letting you troubleshoot without interference from malicious software. Safe mode is a special startup mode that only loads the essential programs your device needs to function, temporarily disabling everything else. This makes it much easier to identify and remove any suspicious apps or malware. On Windows, you can boot into safe mode by pressing F8 during startup. For Mac users, hold the Shift key while starting your device. Once in safe mode, you can uninstall suspicious programs or run your antivirus software without distractions. Think of it as a detox session for your device, a chance to clean out the bad stuff and give your system a fresh start. Plus, it's a great way to troubleshoot other performance issues. Number 1. Reset your device as a last resort. And finally, at number 1, we have the ultimate solution for stubborn malware: resetting your device. I get it. It sounds intimidating, but sometimes starting over is the best way to fully reclaim your device and remove deeply embedded threats. A factory reset wipes all data from your device, including malware, giving you a clean slate. But before you hit reset, make sure to back up all your important files, photos, documents, anything you don't want to lose, using an external hard drive or cloud storage. Once your data is safely backed up, follow your device's factory reset instructions. After the reset, reinstall essential programs, including a trusted antivirus software, to prevent future infections. It may take a little time, but it's worth it for the peace of mind that comes with knowing your device is completely malware-free. Remember, a fresh start can be the most effective way to protect your digital life. So guys, and that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 ways to remove viruses and malware. Which one will you try today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Stay safe, and may your devices stay virus-free.